So this is the beard design from the sideburn down to the angle of the jaw here and goes right to the jawline here. Patient wanted to fill up this area so that the sideburn and the jaw beard is in continuity. And 6 months later, you can see the design area, all the hair already grown, and it will get more. Another 3 months time, 9 months will be full. This is the sideburn, this is the angle of the mandible, the jawline here. This is on the other side, it comes here, here, and goes down right here. This is the jawline, this is the sideburn going down. Are you happy with the Smart FUE technique for your beard for only 6 months?
Finally I have a beard. I'm very happy.